In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix camera not working on Lenovo laptop. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very easy to go ahead and do this, and you can do it with any, literally any Lenovo laptop you have. So the first thing you want to do is check Lenovo's 3 physical kill switches. Firstly is the true block, so look at the absolute top bezel of your laptop screen, as many modern IdeaPads and ThinkPads feature a physical sliding plastic switch directly over the lens. Slide it to the right or left until you see the lens dot completely clear. If you see a tiny red or orange dot over the lens, the camera is physically shuttered. What you can also try is pressing F8 on your keyboard, or try pressing Fn and then hold that down and then press F8 on your keyboard. And then also inspect the physical left and right side edges of your laptop frame, as some sleek Lenovo models include a mechanical slider toggle on the side that cuts power to the webcam matrix entirely. Now, what you also want to do is go ahead and check if your camera's even, on and working. So what we're going to do is go over to our start menu and then go ahead and click settings. And then once we do, all we want to do is go ahead and find the device manager. So right click, click device manager instead. And then once you're here, all you got to do is expand the camera's category like so. And then once you go ahead and do that, look for your integrated camera or HD user facing. And if it's disabled, all you want to do is enable the device. And if it's enabled already, go ahead and try and update your driver and see if there's any driver update that needs to be done. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.